Hello everyone, welcome to a new session of Saurav Sir classes. You can write here, welcome to a new session of Saurav Sir's classes. And in our previous sessions we are basically deal with the WBCS 2019 questions, and now we are starting from the question number 10, which is the correct the following sentences and choose the right answer. And the given sentence is we had gone to the movies last night. So you can see what is the problem in this sentence. Okay, first you must know the present perfect tense cannot be used with adverbs that refer to a definite point of time in the past, like here the time is the last night. Okay, so if you want to say when something happened in the past, you have to use the simple past tense. Okay, so in this case the incorrect, we know that we had gone to the movies last night is the incorrect one, and the correct one is we went to the movies last night. Okay, so that's the right answer. And why this I am describing another time, because we can't use the present perfect tense, that means we had gone, okay, in the with adverbs that refer to a definite point of time in the past. If we want to say when something happened in the past, we have to use the simple past tense, which is went. Okay, so now let us move to the next question. So it's another same type of question where they said they discussed about the matter. Okay, so in this case, what is the problem with this sentence? The discuss is the verb. Okay, so discussed here is the verb, and which does not take a preposition like about. Okay, so in this case the right answer is they discussed the matter. Okay, as discussed is a verb and it doesn't take any preposition like about, so the right answer is they discussed the matter. Now in this question, the question is I can say I does him for a long time. So it may be I have known, I knew, I had known, or I should have known. So as for the answers, you literally see the should have known or had known are don't come into the display. So the first one is, if we use have known, that means I have known for him for a long time, which is shows that you knew him before and that you still know him today. As well as when you use I knew him for a long time, this shows that you used to know him but you no longer know him today. Okay, so in these two cases basically both the answers can be right, because they do not mention here as I am till now know the man, or here we say him. So as both the answers are right options, which can I choose? Basically I go for knew in my examination, that I knew him for a long time, and this shows that another time said that you used to know him but you no longer know him today. As the if, and there is a another mark, they used a full stop here, so there are no options we have to check how in which expressions the sentence is made. That I know him for a long time, is it a I knew him for a long time, is it a narrative way, or I have known for him for a long time? So there's no options we can't do. Both the options are right. Okay, now let us go to the next question. Now say another fill in the blank. The question is I am sure I dash him before. It will be have met or met or had met or will meet. So it can't be will meet or had meet. Okay, so the answer is the similar type answer is lies within these two. It may be, I'm sure I have met him before, or I met him before. But here is a clear explanation, not like the question we have dealt with before. The first one is the I'm sure I have met. When we use have met, when it will be a near past. Okay, but in this case it is not a near past one, because the way of the narrative saying that I'm sure I met him before, I have met him before, means the near past, like he has met him just some time ago. It's a long time ago, and as narrator we speak. So in this case the option is B, I'm sure I met him before. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any complaint or any suggestion for our this type of videos, you can message us like in this number 9836 7930 and 76, or you can WhatsApp also. You can WhatsApp in this number also, as well as there is a mail ID, our official mail ID, which is Saurav Sirs. Sorry, I can write here another time, which is sauravsirclasses.com. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. In our next session we will discussing about the further about the WBCS 2009 questions. Thank you for being with us. Happy learning.